All right, drink we're about to make is called Rum Rickey. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here. And we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of light rum. And follow that up with 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1 teaspoon of sugar syrup. And let's just shake that up a little bit. All right. Make sure you have a good seal on your shaker in your glass there. Don't want to get it all over like I just did. All right. Go ahead and pour that into your glass. And you're going to top it off with club soda. There you go. Give it a straw. And we'll garnish that with a cherry, just to give it some color. That is a Rum Rickey. Nice refreshing drink for a nice sunny day. Bottoms up.